Your body exists in the past and your mind exists in the future. In yoga, they come together in the present. Are you a person who haven't yet tried practicing yoga? Then this video is absolutely for you. On this year's International Yoga Day, NCC unit of BASELIUS College Kottayam is here gifting you all with a sequence of yoga asanas applicable for beginners and for all ages. During this time, where all of our minds are disturbed by the unpleasant news, fear and panic caused by this pandemic, let's channel our energy towards a better goal. This will surely help you to stay happy and healthy in the long run. You all can follow this routine mentioned in the video every day. Wake yourself up with a refreshing glass of water first thing to kickstart your metabolism and help you feel hydrated. Next, go freshen up and get ready to practice yoga, preferably outdoors, without eating anything. All you would need is a yoga mat and an open mind to begin with. Yoga mat preferably made of cotton, or you can even use a thick bed sheet, as it is important to prevent the earthing of the energy that gets generated in the process. Let's begin with Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation. Surya Namaskar is a powerful yogic practice combining 12 asanas. Facing the sun, move to the edge of the mat. Bring your palms together in front of the chest. Breathing in, lift your arm up and back. Breathing down, bend forward from the waist and bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Try your best. Breathing in, push your left leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the front and look up. Now take the right leg back, eyes onto your feet. Gently bring your knee to the floor and exhale. Rest on your chin and chest on the floor. Then slide forward and raise your chest up. Look up. Breathing out, lift the hips and tailbone up and bring it to an inverted V pose. Breathing in, this time bring the left foot forward in between the two hands. Look up. Breathing out, bringing the right foot forward. Breathing in, rolling the spine up, raise the hands up and bend back. This completes one set of Surya Namaskar. Next we have Pawanmuktasana, or the gas release pose. We begin with your arms beside your body. Arms should be facing the ceiling. Bring both your legs together. Bend your right knee. Bring it towards your chest. Interlocking your fingers, press your thigh on your abdomen. Breathe in again, and as you exhale, lift your head and chest off the floor, trying to touch your chin. Hold the position for a few seconds. Now release your head, your hands and leg. Follow the same on your left leg. With increased blood circulation in the internal organs, it is a powerful asana for your digestive system, relieving constipation and gas problems. This time, bring both your legs towards your chest, bending your knees. Hold them as mentioned before. Relax. Next in the sequence, we have Markatasana. Fold your legs at the knees and keep them near your hips. Spread both hands at the level of the shoulder. Now tilt your knees towards your right, while your neck on the left side. Hold this position for a few seconds. Breathe normally, as you can feel the pressure or tension slowly releasing from your back muscles. Now come back to the previous position and do the same to the other side. Any level of back pain, this is your ultimate solution. Now slowly stretching your knee down, relax. Next we have Badhakonasana or the butterfly pose. This is a really good hip opener if you have tight hips and is great for relaxing the lower back, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Bring your soles of the feet together. If you feel a lot of pressure in the outside of your hips, you can also place your hands behind your back and sit up straight. Our aim is to touch the floor with our knees. But if your knees are too far from the floor, that's completely okay. You can also place pillows under the knees for your support. You can either just hold your feet together or fly your knees up and down. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Do it a few times. Keep your spine straight and the neck and shoulder should be relaxed. Next in the sequence, we have the cat and the cow posture. Come to your hands and knees. Feel flat on the ground. Make sure your wrists are directly below your shoulders and your knees under the hip. Neck neutral and eyes to the ground. Now as you inhale, drop your belly. Push your tailbone to the ceiling. Push your chest up. Either look straight or if your neck has enough mobility, look up. This is the cow posture. Now as you exhale, press your hands to the floor. Round your upper back and spine. Look down towards the floor. This is the cat posture. Move with the breath. Inhale, cow posture. Exhale, cat posture. Now let's move to the standing postures in the sequence. We begin with Tadasana, the mountain pose. Of course, we all know how to stand, but Tadasana teaches us how to stand while engaging all the muscles of our body. Feet slightly apart. Lift the toes of your feet. Spread them apart and firmly place them on the ground. Do not lean to the front or back. Firmly root down all the corners of your feet. Lift the chest and place the arms by your side. Now lift your feet and stand on your toes. By balancing, maintain your gaze or drishti on a non-moving spot in front of you. Next, along with your feet, raise your arms to the side of your ears. Feel the lift in your legs, spine, and arms. Hold this posture for 5 to 6 breaths. Next, we have Trikonasana or the triangle pose, which is a well-known solution for back pains. Stand with your legs more than hips width apart. Turn the right foot to the right side and the left foot facing slightly to the right side. But ensure that you maintain your body's posture facing the front. Now slowly rise your arms to the shoulder level and make sure they are in one straight line. Now start moving to the right from the waist. As you do that, don't let your body lean forward. Roll your shoulders back. Open the chest. For beginners, you can stay with your right hand on the shin, and as you get comfortable, you can move gradually to your feet. Come back up, and you can repeat the same procedure on the other side. Once you're done with the sequence, You can lie down in Shavasana. Loosen your arms, legs and neck. If you feel any tightness in any parts of your body, loosen it and let all the muscles relax. Bring attention to your breath for a couple of minutes. This marks the end of your yoga practice. Yoga is all about practice and not about perfection, especially when you're a beginner. Do not forget to breathe normally throughout your practice. And remember, enjoy every bit of it. Stay healthy, stay happy. Jai Hind.